We are here today at Hollywood Studios, and it's raining. It's gonna rain for the rest of the day and probably all night too. So it's a lot of rain. We got some umbrellas, and plus we just went to the Florida Mall and we all bought some Crocs. So our feet, our regular shoes, wouldn't get completely soaked. So there's the kids. Wearing our new Crocs.
My shoes are okay.
Yes, me and Nadia got matching ones. We got matching ones. Owen has green ones.
I got Baby Yoda and Flamingo on my shoes.
Yes, and Owen has Star Wars and video game controller. And then Brayden got these white Crocs that look like tennis shoes.
I got Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda.
So we are all set for today. Gonna ride some more rides. The lines still look pretty long. I think I saw a 105-minute wait for Tower of Terror. We're gonna have a good day, a good time here this evening, even though it's gonna be raining for the rest of the night. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos. I'm also using the GoPro today because it is waterproof. Micky and Minnie's Runaway Railway is a 30-minute wait right now. So we're gonna go ahead and get in line. It looks a lot longer because we're not even going through the sign.
You heard it. It sounds like we're taking a train ride inside the cartoon today. Ride this way, everyone.
Come on, folks. You ready for a relaxing ride around the park? You're getting good for our wreck. The park's filled with rain. What could possibly go wrong?
Hurry, hurry, hurry! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
One, two, three. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Let's
We rode Micky and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and it was really fun. And we did really wait 30 minutes. So now we just looked at the app and it says that Tower of Terror is delayed right now. So we're going into the Star Wars area and we're going to ride Smuggles Run. It is a 25-minute wait right now. So we're gonna head over that way right now. And I'm wishing I had brought a jacket because I'm actually really cold right now. It is sprinkling. It's not really pouring the rain right now, but it is making it feel cooler. So we're just gonna go in line for another ride, Smuggles Run right now. We are now in line for Smuggles Run, and it said a 30-minute wait as we were walking under the doors to come inside the line for the queue.
There's a huge freighter dock there.
Unload for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my friend! Yes, yes, as well.
gunners and the kids are pilots this time.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor.
Push the button.
I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Those heavy tides are protecting the Jake. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Hit the boosters. Boost. Boost. Let's get out of here.
3, 2, 1.
Great job, my friends. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest.
All right, so we stepped inside a Star Wars restaurant. Not sure exactly what the name of this restaurant is, but we're in here now. We got a walk up. We were able to come right on in. And there's these fish hanging over here on the wall. Interesting. Some on ice down below. All right, so they have pork ribs, stir fry, chicken, salads, tuna. They have some kids' meals, pasta rings. They have fried chicken, veggies, and desserts. We just ordered our food, and so now we're waiting and looking to pick up.
No, look, yeah, they're ordering. They're ordering.
Here's the food that we got. So this is a kid's portion of the spaghetti. I can't remember the real name of it. But the meat sauce and the round noodles and broccoli. This is my chicken salad, the yogurt dressing. It looks delicious. And then these are the two kid portions with the mac and cheese, the broccoli. Oh, there's chicken. Like it's just a brown chunk of chicken. Everything looks super good. The kids got Sprite. Nadia got
We're recording a video.
chocolate milk.
Did I
Yes.
just get in the way? My bad.
You're
You're
fine.
recording me. Hello. Right, sons.
Hello.
No, there's the droid eye.
Ooh.
No. It's on this thing.
Oh yes.
No, I'm 29. I'm 29. How's the food taste?
We haven't tasted it yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
All right. Well, if you guys need anything, just let me know. I'll be in the area. Are you sure you're not recording anything for the First Order of the Resistance?
No, not for them.
You don't conceive yourself as a spy?
No.
As a spy that the First Order's looking for?
No.
Okay. So this is all like personal top secret.
Yes.
All right. I'll be back in a little bit. If you need anything, just let me know.
Thank you.
All right.
I also got some moose juice. So I'm excited to see what this tastes like. Moose juice.
Moon juice.
Moo?
Moon.
Moose. It's M-O-O-F. Moose. Moof juice. Kind of sounds like a Dr. Seuss character. Moose juice. Blues. How's it? There's a moose juice. Blues goose. Moose juice. Yes. All right, let's try it. Oh, it's good. It tastes like pineapples. I like it.
I want to taste it. Can I taste it?
You like it? Yeah. You want to try it? Don't. Here, hold it, please. It's really good. Here, you want to try it? It's good.
Pretty good, yeah.
All right, let's eat. I don't know if you can see, but there's like fog coming up off the top of this that we're sitting here at this table. It's really neat.
Oh, I know what that is.
Salad is really good, by the way. I think this is like a radish in here also. And then my moose juice. Very yummy. Took off my tomatoes. I'm not a tomato fan. Is it really yummy? That's good. And Owen's spaghetti.
I'm hearing a lot of saxophones.
Spaghetti? Yummy. And Nadia's gonna eat all her veggies.
Nope.
That is where all the smoke's coming out of. You can see that they turned the lights dimmer now that it's getting dark outside. There's also more seating over there. We're about to go through the doors. Out outside. I believe we're gonna go get in line for Rise of the Resistance. 40-minute standby. Getting in line for Rise of the Resistance. In the rain. Still raining. It's probably 7:30-ish. I love the chicken salad that I got. It wasn't actually like regular chicken salad. It was just a salad with chicken pieces on top of it. It was really delicious, and I loved the dressing. And the kids loved their spaghetti, and the kids loved their food as well. They did not eat all their vegetables. You did eat all your vegetables?
Yeah.
All your broccoli?
Yes.
Yeah, we see some place in there. Both red side up.
Good. Can you be a top hat? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause.
Affirmative. 10-3, you are clear for launch. Ready. Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Attack standing by.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Bakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, Q tight. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark. Couple of years. Then I think now.
Black Lead.
That one is moving the
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
We're stuck in here.
Tell me you hit the red button.
For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoners not seen on level D. Fire!
These escape pods just fools. Take the list down. Hurry! I said down!
This is about to be destroyed.
Standing there and it's not working either. Going into Toy Story Land, the park is closed. So we're just walking through. But it's so beautiful at night. It's empty because the park is now closed. It is 9 o'clock on the dot. But it's so beautiful. With the rain especially reflecting the lights on the wet concrete. It's just nice to walk through. It's so pretty at night. After the rain, there's Slinky Dog. It was a 15-minute wait. There it goes. But it is all closed for the evening. Haven't ate at Woody's lunchbox. We'll have to do that still. Because I hear that the Pop-Tarts are really good. Giant box of crayons over there.
Why?
Oh, fireworks.
Not safe.
9:01.
There goes Slinky Dog, full of new toys.
Slinky Dog is going so fast.
We had a great time here at Hollywood Studios. We got to ride some rides, we got to eat some delicious food in Star Wars. We had an amazing time. And we got to walk through Toy Story at dark after the, well, it's still sprinkling, but it was so beautiful to walk through. Even though everything was closed, we couldn't ride anything, but it was just a really fun time here at Hollywood Studios in the rain. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Oh, it's fine with the umbrella. And now it's your family time.
Bye.